Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be decluttering, cleaning, and organizing my refrigerator and just giving you some of my tips along the way. So if you're interested, please keep watching.
So the first thing I like to do is declutter the outside. I get a lot of pictures and notes and different calendar items and invitations to things. And every month or so, I just reorganize and clean out any items that need to be removed. So right now I'm just sorting through all of our fruits and potatoes. You notice that some of the fruit, like the apples, have rotted, and I just want to clarify that we actually don't purchase any of these apples. We get them for free and they're usually kind of already on their way out. So we try to consume them as to reduce waste, but unfortunately sometimes we do not, so they end up rotting, which is already the route that they were headed. Right now I'm just using my all-purpose sprayer. It's completely safe to use around fruits and veggies, use around my child. It's a really great product. It's called Sal Suds. And I just dilute it with water and put it in my spray bottle and add a couple of essential oils to make it smell great. Now the next thing I do is just clear the entire top of the fridge and just wipe down the entire outside of the fridge. I don't know what it is, but I just like to start on the outside and work my way into the inside of the fridge. So here's a quick overview of what my refrigerator looks. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually rinse all of our fruit because I want to make healthy snacks easily accessible. Now I'm just going in with a reusable cloth napkin and putting my fruits into bowls. I also like to wrap any fruit that's been cut open in reusable beeswax. It's an alternative to plastic wrap. Now, just to be completely authentic with you guys, if you follow my channel and you know me as a zero waster, but yet you're seeing a lot of plastic packaging in my refrigerator, that can be very confusing. So I just wanted to clarify. My family and I actually receive and get a lot of food from a food bank. This is available to me through my job, and the food bank is actually food that is being donated from a grocery store. And it's food that is either day old or maybe a few days old, but it's still mostly usable but unsellable at the grocery store. It is food that is destined for the landfill, plastic or not. Not only is it an affordable option for my family to be able to consume this food because it is free to us, but it's also a better option for planet Earth because it's not food just going straight to the landfill. It's something we are actually going to consume. Now, it does come at the price of having some plastic trash. However, my dollar is not going towards this plastic packaging. Now I just start cleaning my fridge, and I always make sure to clean from top to bottom, and I really use that bottom drawer as kind of a catch-all for any random things that need to be cleaned and tossed out. Now I like to organize my fridge by grouping items such as fresh lettuce and veggies. I have a little corner for my daughter's snacks, an area for leftovers. Now I'm working on the condiments. I'm actually working on minimizing the amount of condiments we own, and also I'm working on starting to make my own condiments. So my first advice is obviously to check the expiration date and throw out any expired items. You could alternatively just clean out the jar and reuse them for any food storage. And the other advice I have is to make sure that you always wipe the bottom and the lid area of the condiment jars. All right, here's just a little overview of the before, and here is the after.
Alright, that is it for my refrigerator declutter, clean and organize. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I will continue to do decluttering and organizing videos throughout my channel, so if you're interested in that type of content, you should definitely subscribe. Alright, until next time, bye.